Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create a macro on your Logitech G305 X SUPERLIGHT mouse. So, first of all, we have to connect our mouse to our PC and open the Logitech G HUB application on it. Then, once you are here, go to Profiles, select your current profile, then click Add Macros in the macros menu, and enter the name for your macro. Now we have 4 different macro types to choose. No repeat, so you click the target button and macro gets executed once. Repeat while holding. Macro will be repeated for as long as you are holding the target button. Toggle, you click the target button once. Macro gets repeated until you click the target button the second time. And sequence lets you create more complicated sequences of actions. So one action for clicking the target button, the second action for holding it down, and the third one for releasing the target button. Let's go with the standard no repeat option. And let's create a macro. Basically, we can do almost anything using a macro. We just need to use our imagination. So let's create a macro that will create a new text document, and we'll enter hello world in it. To do that, let's start now. Now, as you can see, we have several options of what we can do. We can record keystrokes. We can enter text and emoji. We can use actions for supported programs. We can launch applications we have on our computer. We can perform system actions, and we can set a delay between actions. So I would like to record keystrokes. To create a folder, we're gonna have to first open the start menu by pressing Windows button. Now we can stop the recording. Now we're gonna have to enter the text to find the Notepad, right? So let's click plus, text and emojis, and now enter Notepad here. Okay, so this text will be entered in the text field in the search menu. Now we're gonna have to click plus, and now let's record a keystroke of enter, which will automatically open the Notepad. Stop recording, and now at this point we already have the Notepad opened, but let it load for a couple of seconds so that we don't enter our hello world too early. And to do that, we're gonna have to click plus and set a delay. Now delay is set in milliseconds, so 1000 milliseconds is 1 second. Therefore, let's give it maybe 2 seconds of delay. Then click plus, text and emojis, and let's enter our hello world text. Click done and save your macro. Now let's go back to devices. Now we're gonna have to select our mouse and assign this macro to some key. To do that, we have to go to assignments on the sidebar. Now go to macros. Here we have our test macro, right? We're gonna have to grab and drag it to the button we want to assign it to. In my case, it's gonna be this button, and once you have assigned it, basically you simply have to press the button, and here we have it. Okay, so this notepad already had text in it, therefore let's open a new one. And as you can see, this macro did everything for us after just clicking one button on our mouse. And that's how you create macros on your Logitech. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.